Gulash Baisitova Street is located on the right bank of Nur Sultan City in Sararkad district. It starts from Shintas Lane and finishes at Kartali Street. Its length is 2,447 meters. Gulash Baisitova was a famous Kazakh singer, one of the brightest representatives of Kazakh opera, public figure and national artist of USSR. She performed folk songs on numerous languages, including the works of Russian and West European composers. Baisitova contributed a lot in opera art of Kazakhstan. She was the first Kazakh singer who performed Madame Butterfly Party from Giacomo Puccini's Chio-Chio-san and the lead of Tatiana from Pyotr Tchaikovsky's Yevgeny Onegin.